Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the recipient country on Remitly. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Remitly application on your device and then log into your account using your email address and your password. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into the home page, from which, if you wish to change your recipient country, tap on the Manage button at the bottom right corner. From the Manage page, you will see the Sending To option underneath Account Details. Go ahead and click on the drop-down menu, and now you can search for your preferred country using the search box, or scroll down and look for your country manually. Once you find your preferred country, go ahead and click on it, and now this will change your homepage interface as well, and you will see that the recipient country has been chosen at the top section. And now when you click on the Send option, the recipient country will automatically be selected as the one that you just chose. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your recipient country on Remitly. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.